On International Day of Yoga, let's unite body, mind and soul through Nritta Yoga Sutra. May dance become prayer and movement become meditation. One earth, one awareness. Let yoga and dance guide us to inner peace and global consciousness. বিশ্ব সাথে যোগ যেথায় বিহারো, সেইখানে যোগ তোমার সাথে আমার।